Have you ever wondered how to make delicious raw vegan recipes? Welcome to the world of raw veganism, a lifestyle that marries taste with nutrition. This isn't just about eating raw fruits and veggies, it's about unlocking the full potential of plant-based foods. Imagine enjoying meals bursting with natural flavors, rich in nutrients, and brimming with health benefits. From detoxification to weight management, raw vegan foods hold a myriad of advantages. Ready to explore some mouth-watering raw vegan recipes? Stick around. Scene script. First up, we have a simple yet delicious recipe: raw vegan zucchini noodles. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles as they are affectionately known, are a fantastic alternative to traditional pasta. They're light, healthy, and incredibly easy to make. Plus, they're a great way to sneak some extra vegetables into your diet. To start off, you'll need a couple of fresh zucchinis. Make sure they're firm and free of blemishes. You'll also need a spiralizer. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can also use a vegetable peeler or a knife to cut the zucchini into thin strips. Once you've got your zucchini spiralized, it's time to whip up a sauce. For this recipe, we'll be making a creamy avocado sauce. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, the juice of a lemon, a clove of garlic, a handful of fresh basil leaves, and a dash of salt and pepper. Blend these ingredients together until smooth. Now it's time to combine the zoodles and the sauce. Toss them together until all the noodles are evenly coated. If you want, you can let the dish sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. To serve, top the noodles with some cherry tomatoes, olives, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor. This dish is perfect as a light lunch or a side dish. Voila! You now have a bowl of refreshing zucchini noodles. Bon appetit! Craving something sweet yet healthy? Here's a raw vegan berry cheesecake recipe just for you. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 1 cup of almonds, a cup of dates, and a pinch of sea salt. That's right, just 3 simple ingredients for an irresistibly crunchy base. Now for the filling, prepare 2 cups of cashews soaked in water overnight. Yes, it's not your traditional cream cheese, but trust me, it's just as creamy and delicious. Add in a ½ cup of coconut oil, a ½ cup of honey, the juice of 2 lemons, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. These will give our cheesecake its rich, tangy flavor. And let's not forget our starring ingredient, the berries. Grab a cup of mixed berries of your choice. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. The world is your berry bowl. Let's start with the crust. Blend the almonds, dates, and sea salt until they form a crumbly mixture. Press this mixture into the bottom of your cake pan, and there you have it, a raw, vegan, gluten-free crust. Now on to the filling. Drain the cashews and blend them with the coconut oil, honey, lemon juice, and vanilla. The result should be a smooth, creamy mixture. Pour this over your crust and smooth it out with a spatula. Now, for the berry-licious finish. Blend your chosen berries into a puree and swirl it into the cashew cream before placing the cake into the freezer. The hardest part is waiting for it to set, usually about 4 to 5 hours. Once set, gently remove your cheesecake from the pan. Garnish with fresh berries, a sprig of mint, or even a dusting of powdered sugar. Remember, it's your dessert. Make it your own. Serve this raw vegan berry cheesecake at your next dinner party, or enjoy a slice on a quiet afternoon. It's a dessert that's as satisfying as it is nutritious. And that's your raw vegan berry cheesecake. Dessert, anyone? Aren't these recipes simple and delicious? We've journeyed through the vibrant world of raw veganism together, exploring 2 delightful recipes, the refreshing zucchini noodles and the decadent berry cheesecake. Both of these dishes are bursting with natural goodness, offering a symphony of tastes and textures to your palate. The beauty of these recipes is not just in their taste, but also their simplicity. They require no cooking, just a little prep, and voila, you have a wholesome meal or a sweet treat ready in no time. But don't just stop here. The world of raw veganism is vast and varied. There are countless more recipes waiting for you to discover. Remember, each raw vegan dish is a step towards a healthier lifestyle, a way to nourish your body with all the essential nutrients it needs. Remember, good health starts with good food. So go ahead, give these raw vegan recipes a try. Until next time, happy eating.